everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we're just gonna take a little ride down to a development area where they inside here in Barangay DAU has built a new development with I believe it's a couple of 300 homes already, and it's called Rimaven. So we're going to go down there, find out, check out, video film some of it, maybe look at a couple of units and talk to the management down there, just to give you an idea. These are not very high priced homes, and they're fairly priced. In my opinion, maybe some of the units are a little too small, at least for me, and what I would like to have. But they're nice, they're clean, they're brand new. It's a gated community, so come on, let's go.
So where are we going? Where are we going? We're going to Rimaven. Here we go. We can ask where's the information.
You got a sales office in here?
Yes, sir.
Where? Down that way? Straight down there on the right hand side?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the right.
Here inside the Rimaven now. So we're looking for the office, the Rimaven main office. Where's the office? Office. Sales office, there you go. Things over here. Yeah, their main office is here. So we'll go inside and ask about information.
We're doing blogging, and we had some requests from some Filipinos overseas, Filipinos, and asked us if we can do a little blog here. They might be interested, in the future to buy something. And we were just checking to see, you have model homes here, and you have a layout of the area. Do you have a community house or pools, or is it all here also? It's funny because last time we were here, I think there was like how many houses?
Three.
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 Three houses.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, already 266 units na po
I
yung
see.
mga occupied.
Right.
As of now, sir, our inventory is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 15 or 16 units. But this portion is not already constructed.
Okay.
Here.
Right.
So, it is an open space near at the gate.
Okay.
And then our available for confined unit, here, here, and here.
Okay.
It is a confined unit. It is we call it single attached.
Single attached.
Yeah.
And you have duplex, you have townhouse.
Yes, sir. We offer duplex and townhouses. As of now, all the dots is already reserved and occupied.
Okay.
So maybe we can offer you is the confined unit, which is available for reservation.
Okay. All right. Do you have a model home?
Yeah, we have a model unit, sir.
Is it possible to
can-
see it and put the camera in it
Yes.
a little bit? Okay, so they have like a little model home here.
Yes po. Tanungin ko po siya kung anong update. Balikan ko po kayo. Okay po.
This is the
All right, so
this is a duplex.
Sige ma'am, try ko i-check kung anong unit siya. Nakagana na po ba siya dito? Sige ma'am,
Right.
check ko po kung sino po yung seller niya para ma-assist po yung seller. May assist lang po ako sa ganun.
turn the light on.
Balikan ko po kayo mamaya.
You turn the light on in the bathroom? No, bathroom.
Is it dark?
Yeah, it's a little dark. Maybe we can get a little light from that. So these are the bathrooms. And this is, this unit is how many?
This unit is 54 square meter for the floor area. This unit is address of unit for the Alicia Duplex.
Alicia
Yes,
duplex?
sir. It is available for reservation, but we can wait for the final price so we can officially reserve these.
Okay, so you don't have a final price on these?
Yeah, sir. But this week we can possible we can release.
Release
It
it.
depends on the management.
Right. So, but most units here, similar units, how much have they been price-wise? Similar units?
The unit from last 2015, the unit for duplex 65 square meter is 1.2 million or
Oh,
1,154,000.
Okay.
Right now, this duplex unit is ranging from 2 million.
Oh, okay. 2 million and
Yes,
up?
sir. And our townhouses before last 2015 is ranging from 900,339.
Okay.
And then right now, our price is 1.6. But for the townhouse, it's already sold out.
Oh, okay. So, and when this is all done and built out, how many units will you have occupied?
We have 398 units.
398 units. Is this considered part of Barangay DAU? Or?
Yeah.
So this is part inside Barangay DAU. Okay. And
Can we check upstairs?
all right. So well, let's go upstairs. These are 2-bedroom units.
It is a improved unit of duplex, so the bedroom will 2. But our standard deliverable is 3.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a little dark here. Yeah. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. There's the master bedroom.
Yeah.
I figured the master bedroom got to be a little bigger, right?
This is a regular bedroom. This one is the
The master?
master.
Okay. And
Storage room or
So-
playroom
playroom,
and CR.
the little playroom for kids. And then you have the CR here. So the master bedrooms doesn't have their own bathroom, right?
No, sir.
Right. So, okay. That's okay. I like the, what do you call it? The ceilings are
Yeah.
interesting. All right. Okay. Oh boy, it's hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, early in the Philippines, it's a summer.
Yeah, but it's extra hot this summer. I've been here for 5 years, and it's just been hot, very hot. And where is your? Is that area up there? Is that your community?
Yeah.
What do you call it? Like, is that where the pool and everything
Yes,
is?
sir.
All?
We can check it.
Okay, let's go up there. I want the sun. Yeah, there was, I mean, there was no roads, there was no nothing here.
Nagla-land developmental. Baka yun tong office namin, ma'am, yung model unit. Wala pa pong mga road. This part, sir, is duplex type and commercial area.
For this lot, these are available? So they're going to be built here also?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
For commercial area and duplex type unit.
okay. Man, when did they start?
They started
Two-
last 2015.
2015.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I remember, I mean, the guardhouse wasn't here, there was nothing here.
As of now, sir, we have already maybe 70 to 80% community.
All right, 70-80% full already. Okay,
This is our clubhouses.
right.
The homeowner will use that for events like that.
Right, but they have to book it, right?
Yes, sir.
So they have to book it in advance. And
Yes, sir.
is it a charge?
Yes, sir. We have a charge of good for 4 to 6 hours, range 3,500. It
Okay.
accommodates 150 people.
Right.
And here our swimming pool.
Okay, so this is the pool.
Swimming pool, our shop, porch, and kitchen.
So this is the pool area. All right. Nice, yeah. And down there we have the guardhouse from the inside. So we'll do some when we leave. And and a little basketball court. Right. That's amazing.